Hello friends, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to learn Paneer 65 recipe. Paneer 65 recipe is the most famous recipe originating from the southern India, Chennai, and has grown popular all over the world. And it's one of the most popular finger snack, and you would find them on the menus of hotels, joints, or five-star hotels in India. And originally we know a non-veg version of 65. Here we are preparing paneer as used for vegetarian option, and this snack is crispy from exterior and soft, juicy and succulent from within, and you would just finish this snack at the first go. And this dish is a great option as a starter or a side dish for your cocktail parties or any kind of party. I already shared baby corn 65. Today we will see paneer 65 recipe for vegetarians. So first we'll see the ingredients required. For marination we need 200 grams paneer, that is cottage cheese, and 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon besan, that is gram flour, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon green chili paste. And we also need 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon red chili powder or Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1/4 to half tablespoon garam masala powder, and half tablespoon lime juice, 4 tablespoon water, 5 tablespoon oil for frying, and salt as required. And for paneer 65 tempering we need a capsicum and onions diced, and 2 to 3 green chilies sliced diagonally, and half tablespoon chopped ginger or adrak, and half tablespoon chopped garlic, and 6 to 7 curry leaves, and 2 to 3 pinches of salt, and 2 tablespoons oil, and half tablespoon sugar. If you like you can add, this is optional. And now we'll see the method of preparation. First we'll see the preparing the marination. Take 3 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour, and 2 tablespoon cornstarch in a mixing bowl, and you can also take cornmeal or maize flour and instead of cornstarch. And now add 1 tablespoon green chili paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and half tablespoon red chili powder, and 1/4 to half tablespoon garam masala powder, and 1/4 tablespoon lime juice, and also add salt as required. And now add 4 tablespoon water and whisk to a smooth paste. You can also add a few drops of natural color, and here we're using orange natural color extract. And then add the paneer cubes. Gently mix the paneer cubes with the batter, and cover and allow to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. Now shallow frying and preparing paneer 65. First heat 5 tablespoon oil in a pan, and the oil should be medium hot, and coat the paneer cubes with the batter, and add them to the hot oil, and keep some space between the paneer cubes so that they don't stick. And once the base is done, flip and fry the other side. Flip for a couple of times all the paneer cubes, and fry till the outsides become crisp and golden. And remember not to over fry the paneer cubes, as then they become dense. So after that drain the fried paneer cubes on kitchen paper towels to remove excess oil. You can serve as it is if kids not able to have a spiced version, so that it will be a little more easy for them to have them when we are not adding spiciness to the paneer cubes. This is one version of paneer 65, and if you like more spicy, then chop garlic and ginger. Dice your capsicum and onions, and slice green chilies lengthwise. Now in the same pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil and add half tablespoon chopped ginger, half tablespoon chopped garlic, and 2 green chilies sliced vertical, and curry leaves too, and stir well all the mixture. And then add onion and capsicum dices, mix well, and now add salt and half tablespoon sugar, and you can skip sugar if you want, and stir well. Now add the fried paneer cubes, mix and toss the paneer cubes with the rest of the sauteed ingredients. Check the taste and add more salt or green chilies if required, and higher the flame for 2 minutes, and after that switch off the flame. Lastly, add chopped coriander leaves if you like, and stir well. Hey, it's done now. So paneer 65 is ready to serve. So this recipe is hot, spicy and tangy, and you can serve it as a starter, or you could club them with the rotis, breads, naans, or just eat them as it is. And a lot of ingredients goes in making this, but curry leaves is one of the important ingredient, and for spice you could use green chilies plus red color. However, we have used here Kashmiri chili powder, which gives a deep red color, and also no need to add color if you don't like. And other key point to remember is the paneer has to be firm and not very soft, else they would crumble or fall apart while frying. So take care. So even kids would love them. Just club some fried rice or noodles along, and your meal is sorted. So this is paneer 65 for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching, and keep watching my videos, and like and subscribe.